Here at One Heart Wild Sanctuary, the health and wellness of our animals is paramount. Part of that is testing for parasites such as worms and other strongyles. We're not terribly enthusiastic about picking through our animals' latest gifts of fecal matter, but the process is actually pretty simple. We just take the fecal sample, put it in a sealed plastic container, label it with the name, breed, age, and sex of the animal, and date it. We then mail the sample to a testing laboratory and they perform a fecal flotation test. This type of testing includes mixing the fecal sample with a liquid solution that is more dense than the eggs of worms. They use a container that has a strainer for trapping large particles and other debris from floating to the surface. After approximately 20 minutes, enough time has elapsed to allow any eggs present to float to the surface. The surface is then skimmed off with a cover slip and examined under a microscope. A veterinary parasitologist then reviews the samples and produces a report. A positive test indicates that worms are present. Generally, if the lab finds more than 2 or 3 eggs per slide, they suggest deworming. By identifying intestinal parasites and knowing the fecal egg count, we can devise a customized deworming program specific to our sanctuary animals. This allows us to use the least amount of chemicals possible to keep our animals healthy.